Late evening habits, the ones before you go to sleep. Why are they so important? How can you benefit from the right habits for you? Hi, my name is Lot Himrat. In this video I would like to share with you the importance of late evening habits, the ones before you go to sleep, and how you can actually boost your days and make your life go like this, having the right habits before going to sleep. So sleep is about relaxation, resting. So doing something exciting just before going to sleep, not so smart. For example, if you go to fitness in the evening, you will not sleep the first few hours afterwards. Even if you work out hard, because you're full of energy. So you need to slow down. So you can do your fitness after work, that's fine, but then find your time to start to slow down. So your body slows down, you don't eat too much, otherwise your body's going to be very busy with digestion, and you start reducing all kinds of excitement. So the last half hour, no TV, no mobile, no tablet, no news, peaceful music, maybe a walk outside, and then coming, brushing your teeth, going to sleep. Before going to sleep, take a moment to look back on the day and be grateful. Just name a few things that you're grateful for. Grateful that you're still alive, be grateful that you got through this maybe very tough day, that you achieved certain things. So you go to sleep with a happy feeling, and then you let go of everything. And if you have things like, oh, I need to do that tomorrow, okay, write them down. Whatever you need to do for the next day, write it down. So your mind doesn't need to stay active trying to remember it. Now, oh, I can't forget about it now. I wrote it down, the paper is on my desk. When I get up, I'll find it. And then what you can add after your contemplation, after having been grateful, you can decide to have a short meditation. And maybe your meditation will actually help you fall asleep. So I would suggest doing it already pitch dark and yeah, laying down. Even your contemplation, do them in the dark already. And make sure you're in the dark and you have no noises. For example, I love to sleep with an open window, but now I live in the city, so I prefer to close my window, not to have the noise, and I have a ventilator on and another window open on the other side of the house, and I'll still have my fresh air. So the curtains are closed, windows are closed, it's dark and silent. And this way I can sleep peacefully. I also set my intention to have a very peaceful night and to wake up at a certain hour full of energy. This results into having a very peaceful night actually, and waking up just before my alarm. So the first thing I hear when I wake up is not the the annoying noise. Actually, I can get up and even shut off the alarm before it starts, so when it starts I'm already awake. The worst thing is that you're sleeping in the middle of a dream and then you hear that thing and then you suddenly moment you realize it's your alarm and you want to snooze, and no. Your whole mindset before is going to determine how your night will be and how you're actually going to start your new day. So take a look at your habits, change what you can change, and let me know in the comments what your experiences are. Maybe you can inspire me with new habits. Maybe you can inspire others. And of course, if you like this video, put a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and See you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.